Study and Analyze, Part 1. Study and analyze your trading results with journaling. This is a massive skill increaser. Now, we don't want to just journal. We want to study. We want to analyze. We want to poke and prod and investigate and look under the microscope type of point of view. We want to dig deep, in other words. So I'm going to start with a real basic example. I'm going to put a vertical line right in the middle here, profit on the left, loss or losing trades on the right. I'm going to put a horizontal line going right through that. I'm going to put good discipline here, bad discipline there. So we have four alternatives or four results that could come from our trading. The first one and the best case scenario is going to be right here. We have a profitable trade and we used good discipline. In other words, we followed our trade plan. That is what we're shooting for. That's what we're trying to achieve on every trade. Follow the plan and get a profit. But we know that's not always going to happen. Sometimes we follow the plan and we get a loss too, okay? But that's what we're going for here. The next thing that could happen, we could lose money and you had bad discipline. In other words, you did not follow your trade plan. Now, this is a dangerous scenario. Because you did not follow your trade plan, it resulted in a loss. If you followed your trade plan, it likely would not have resulted in a loss. So it's important that we follow our trade plan. We might still get a loser, but if we don't follow our trade plan, you will likely get a losing trade. It's a big difference there. Let's look at the others. The one in blue here, good discipline, but we lost. Now, that's okay. That's just getting stopped out. That happens to everyone, okay? We did our part. We followed our plan. We had good discipline. It just didn't work out for us. So be it. Okay, so don't let that get you down or anything like that. Those happen. The fourth scenario is this in orange. You made money, but you used bad discipline. You didn't follow your trade plan. And I think this is actually probably the most dangerous scenario. Because if you have bad discipline and you made money, up here in your brain it's thinking, hey, good trade. You made money. That's the result we're looking for. No, it's not. The result we're looking for is to make money, yes, but with following our trade plan, using good discipline. There's two parts to that. Use good discipline, that comes first, and make money. Again, it doesn't always happen that way, but we have to have the discipline part first. And if we don't have the discipline and we make money, that sets up a horrible habit for us. We have to stop that immediately before that habit grows into you taking more and more and more bad quality trades, thinking that it will result in making more money. I've seen this happen many times. I've been guilty of it myself. You've got to cut that off immediately. Do not let that fester. Do not let that grow. Focus on the discipline.